This table identifies the specific biological constraints that keep you alive. Right here, it shows your blood pH must hold a value between 7.35 and 7.45. A shift of even 0.1 is catastrophic. The enzymes responsible for releasing cellular energy physically warp, and your biological engine simply stalls. We live inside this complex machine, yet most of us only check the dashboard when a lab report points to a red number we don't know how to interpret. This is a concentrated guide to those core medical signals. We're analyzing the body's SOS alerts to show you exactly what is happening beneath the skin. The cardiovascular system is a high-pressure network driven by this four-chambered, two-way pump. High blood pressure is a mechanical event. It happens when the heart's output increases while the peripheral vessels constrict. It's the physical equivalent of turning a garden hose on full blast while pinching the nozzle. This table compares chest pain. Angina is a temporary blockage. A nitroglycerin tablet relieves it. The red column shows a heart attack, a total system failure where nitroglycerin fails. Heart cells rupture, spilling CPK and troponin I proteins into the blood. This is a measurable mechanical failure. The damage leaves specific, traceable evidence in your bloodstream. Your nervous system maps like an electrical breaker box. This diagram shows spinal segments controlling specific sensory zones. If your knee reflex disappears, it proves the L3-L4 circuit is compressed, confirming exactly where the fuse blew. Sometimes the wiring gets crossed. This is referred pain. Because certain internal organs share pathways with surface nerves, gallbladder distress is often felt as a sharp pain in the right shoulder. Locating the actual fire requires reading the body's internal wiring diagram rather than just reacting to where it feels hot. Chemical alarms follow a strict schedule. A stomach ulcer, for example, triggers pain exactly 30 to 60 minutes after you eat. That's when the body secretes strong acid to digest the meal, which then hits the open wound. If that predictable pain rhythm suddenly vanishes, but tests show continuous hidden blood in your stool, it's a warning. A tumor may have destroyed the local nerves, effectively silencing the alarm. We look for the micromarkers listed here to identify organ damage. AFP identifies issues in the liver, CEA tracks the rectum, and PSA monitors the prostate. Returning to our pH tightrope, if diabetes causes your blood to turn acidic, your body launches a last resort override called Kussmaul breathing. These deep, rapid gasps are a mechanical attempt to exhale carbon dioxide and pull your chemistry back into balance. Every symptom, from the timing of a stomachache to the depth of a breath, is a precise mathematical attempt to regain system stability. Every medical system is essentially diagnostic software designed to return the body to the state shown in the center of this graphic, homeostasis. These decoders operate differently. Western data focuses on micro-precision, targeting numbers like liver enzymes. Eastern medicine uses macro observations, like the tongue and pulse patterns shown on the right. The two languages meet at this intersection. To regulate blood flow and prevent heart disease, the West uses aspirin, while the East uses the herb puwang. Both achieve the same result in your microcirculation. They complement each other when systems fail. For example, Eastern medicine can be used to address the systemic imbalances and heat caused by the side effects of intensive Western steroid treatments. Your internal defense system has a physical starting point. At the level of your first lumbar vertebra, the cisterna chyli collects the body's entire lymphatic supply to begin the immune response. Health requires viewing the body as an interconnected universe, where a single signal from a distant organ ripples through the entire system. Understanding those signals is how you stay on the tightrope.